who's saying that?
Help me.
Who's saying that?
Look,
Shrek,
the painful back shot. Look at it.
Welcome to the
Dude, look at the
painful
zipper
back shot.
Look at the zipper.
Ah!
Stand still.
Everybody's dying today. Everybody's dying.
Stand still. Look.
Give me that chicken wing.
Painful one.
Give me that chicken wing. La ta ta. I'm a good boy and I have a chicken wing. La ta, la ta, la ta, la ta. I have a chicken wing. It's my
Chicken wing. Why you took the chicken wing? Why you took the chicken wing?
Give it back, Mike.
The chicken wing is right there.
Chicken wing.
Oh my god, everybody's dying.
Leave me alone, guys.
Oh, what is going on in this lobby?
Well, I'm getting flashbang.
I'm gonna buy 4 shotguns.
I'm gonna buy 4 shotguns and put it in my backpack.
No, man. This is Japan.
All over again. It's Japan. It's Japan. We gotta go back. Guys, it's Hiroshima. Guys, it's Hiroshima. We gotta escape. Alabama. Yeah, bro, can I have one for free? You're mean. You're a mean guy. You know Yo, bro, give me a grenade. Ow! Yo, bro. Throw it at somebody out of system. Throw this out of system. And hit somebody.
Yo, why is there a gang of banana
But
people
hit
attacking
somebody.
me?
Help! Chicken.
Give me that grenade.
Chicken red light.
Here's a nigger!
Hey! Chicken red light.
It lies. They are coming out today. They were rolling
He are
off.
not in.
Let me get all these stats. Stats going to me.
Here's the refrigerator.
Oh,
I just robbed someone.
Yo!
Stop shaking your hand. Fiona, stop right there. Let down your big bastard.
What? Who is the... Yo, wait, this is... Cause I bought a bun.
Whoa. Shoot the gun.
Hey, bro, throw it at somebody. Throw it at somebody. Throw it at somebody.
Sorry. Snipe him. You're doing it again. Welcome to the end. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. The balls. What's that? Bro, why do I keep missing? Why is that so many people? Welcome to my Yo, bro, I got sodies. Get out. I got sodies.
Hey, Anna, I yell at everyone.
Fiona!
Who's have a free bag?
Fiona!
Those, banana guys. Oh, there's two of them. There's two banana guys. This must be your backpack. Banana guys. The banana who's dressing up as a banana. And this must be your bag, so I'm just jumping.
They're fighting. Revolver! That's it. You're next. Biggest fat song ever. Yippee! Yep, beep, yep, yippee.
Yo, Greg, come back.
Bye-bye, guys.
I'll trade you. I'll trade you.
Ding, make it up. What did you say? Hey, who took it? You took it. Green took it. You scumbag.
English history.
You scumbag.
What you giving out? What you giving out, guys? What you giving out? What you giving out?
Terrible joke. Put your gun in the bag.
I'm gonna get away,
Run
guys.
up your bag, run up. What do you have in your bag? What do you have in your bag? Nothing? Alright. Ooh, shotgun. Oh, nice. Shotgun. I'm so lucky. Yo. I said all I said was
Yo, guys,
go to
guys,
the
who's your
kitchen and make
Merry
some
Christmas.
and then she
breaking
started
your
crying.
heart.
I'm gonna fucking open
I'm
it.
gonna kiss
I'm gonna touch
you.
you. I'm gonna touch you.
Gonna
No,
kiss
stop.
you.
I'm gonna make them.
I
want one. There's one over there.
Last
Guys, there's actually one over there. They're wrong god. I swear wrong god.
On my very last time, I'm
You
gonna
took too late, bro. You took too late. Oh my gosh, man. You took too late.
last Christmas. I'm gonna back shot. I'm gonna back shot all over your family. Gonna kiss you right in your hand. Now I'm gonna kiss in your wrong. Your last rate is too
Wait,
late.
give me back my bag now.
Just do it.
I'm not kidding. Give me back my bag. Why?
It's a beautiful day to be.
I'm gonna rape you for the very last time. I'm gonna touch you. I'm right behind you. I'm gonna touch you for Christmas. Last Christmas, I'm gonna touch you.
Me.
And the right that
Who wants to
gonna
do
dig
the
right.
apple
I'm
again?
gonna do the doggy doggy. Gonna do the dog.
Remember me?
Do it then.
Me.
Do it. Do it.
I am the bread with the depression. I lost me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jordan the apple got
Nice. I don't exist.
Anyone willing to trade a gravity gun for
Oh,
a
Broski.
pistol? Is anyone
Last Christmas, I put my money
Anyone
on.
I'm gonna do my
Yeah, there's Emma.
Yo, guys.
last Christmas.
See what you do,
Yeah.
And the
I'm
very
gonna
next
fuck
day.
you. Gonna
I'm gonna touch you.
first time. I'm gonna touch you for your present.
Football.
It's me.
I put it in. I'm gonna touch you.
See, okay, one
Yeah,
second.
let's do it. Let's do it. Come here. Let's do
I'm
it.
gonna make the. I'm gonna make the
Come on,
Milky Way.
Okay, Emma.
Biggest bust. The weirdest Oscar.
Oh shit! I'm good, bud.
Shoot him! Shoot him!
Jump, Papa.
I looked at him and he disappeared. Sure. Anyone offer? When I looked at him, he disappeared. Does anybody want to offer for this gun? My backpack. No. Oh, you scammer! Anybody want this gun? You have to offer.
God damn it.
You on him. Me.
Yo.
Wow, revolver. Nice. Whoa, revolver.
Guess what, party guy? Guess what?
Whoa, revolver.
Somebody calm down to my chest.
I see you, homeboy. Get him. Rocky. Oh, no.
Rocky, biggest back shot.
Bye-bye.
Biggest back shot ever.
No.
I'm gonna give you the biggest, the hardest.
Guys, it's full of ray guns when I dupe this. It's full of ray guns when I dupe. We'll get it.
Now, who keeps hog riding?
Alright, if I see anyone wearing.
Who keeps hog riding?
Oh, you're the one who took my stuff when I died. Hey, you hooligan.
Stop.
Let me get it.
If you wanna get any pellet gun, come join the code LEO to get if you wanna get a revolver, join the code LEO. Join the code LEO. Get out of here.
Who the frick is bombing us?
LE.
Hey, niggers. Ho, ho, ho.
You
This is
what?
crazy, bro.
Run.
I run.
I hate niggers. Ho, ho, ho. What?
Did you just say I
Nigga, nigger, run.
Yo, guys, guys.
Something over there, guys.
Yes, I hit it.
code.
Look,
Or, oh,
who is
wait,
this?
Dude.
Who is this?
Wait, join a simple code. Like,
Here, no, join me, guys.
no, just join me. Don't join a hard code, or I can't join you.
Who are you? Get out of here, bro. I think he's joining, and apparently he's. Oh, okay. Bye bye.
Can I have a candid?
I bought everything on the Halloween text web, so
Don't be bad. Yeah, we can't see yours, numbnuts.
because I got glasses on, I can see
Because I got hair. Because he's got an eye patch. It
He has an eye patch.
think.
the frick out. Have to.
It was like that one time that was like
No. No, dude, you need Nacho.
No.
I'm not gonna help you at the staff room.
Dude,
Go in the staff room.
no, bro, I'm sad for you because he made it and he
Yeah,
didn't. I'm
that's
sorry.
what's bad. Oh, well, no, that's
I'm not trying-
close.
I mean, I'm not trying to
No,
harass
I want
him.
the
no.
crossbow. You want a crossbow. I don't know why you want a crossbow. So he can
Shouldn't
use
have
the
taken
key part. He's such a
Oh,
throwing.
is that a shooting star?
I do that with the keys. It's just better.
How did I lose myself? Oh crap. What?
I don't even use it. I don't even throw keys. Yeah, well, sorry that I'm too lazy to jump across the gap. You're too what?
Star, bro.
I'm too lazy to jump across the gap.
Hold up, let me voice out my call and whoever hits me first through there. That's new. Can you tell me how is there a straight through? No! Bro!
The boxing.
I just
Looky,
landed
looky.
I just landed on X, Y, 0,
No, it
0,
was,
0.
it was like just selected on my
Bro, I was about to say the N-word because of you.
menu. I don't need positioning. I just need
Okay.
skill.
Dude.
Get the guy. Get him.
Meanwhile, you're
Get him.
hitting your
Get the
walls,
guy.
and I can hear it every time.
What? What's that, bro? You trying to harass me?
I didn't hit anything.
Don't
What
make me-
bangs then every time, like.
Wait, bro, you want to speed run?
Sometimes, but it's not like serious. What do you usually hit?
Want to speed run? Go up here. I have a nachos.
No,
Bro,
I'll hit,
what I
like-
do? He griefed me to the death. He griefed me with.
Okay,
no
ready?
punches.
So I'll hit like the
Right.
top, like arm, the base of like the arm of my microphone.
No problem.
You hear that? Dude, why do you sound like a sweet toy?
That's it. You griefed me.
The
You
fuck?
griefed me, bro.
Huh?
You just griefed me.
And so it's either that or like. I don't think I actually inside anything else. I think it's mostly just that. Oh, okay.
Some help?
I'm not going
Yeah.
You
I
want me to
mean,
roast them
you're
over
not
so you
a
can eat
griefer,
them all?
but the guy with the mushroom on his head, he
Yes.
bashed me after the dead. So he's a griefer.
I'll save you.
So I bashed them off, and I don't want to get rid of
Next time you do that,
No, get the guy on the right.
No, I really want to do it for you. I just want
Frick.
to do it for
I'm not good at shooting this thing.
myself, and then I die.
Wonderful. No cheating.
Thank you.
This guy gets it. Gets what? I don't know. Wait, did you just shoot him? Yeah. Oh, okay. No, I just got like first try.
I'm gonna roll you, bro.
I'll save you.
I'm gonna try to roll you on that part. I'm gonna roll you on
I think he's
that
actually
part.
opting to.
Oh no. I failed.
He's actually doing the video. He's not sure.
God damn. Eagle time, and it will be tomorrow.
You can see what I help. Bro, he looks like a John Wick person. I am. He's John Wick bubblegum virgin.
The fuck?
Bro, you look like Timo John Wick.
I am. Don't you know?
No, it's just you.
He's saying he's recording, but look at it, bro.
Kill people.
He's saying he's recording.
Oh my god, bro. He is not recording, my guy.
He's such a
Calm down! Calm down, please!
freaky. John Wick. John Wick bubblegum.
Get out of this lobby. Get out of this lobby. Or you will know
Dude, I think you left.
pain. Yeah, you ruined my last game though.
Nah, bro, he's hiding again.
Leave the country.
Yeah, that's racist.
Oh, that's racist.
Nah, bro, he's hitting then hiding, bro. He sucks.
Yeah, run away from me, cousin.
That's crazy.
He's hiding. He's hitting then hiding, bro.
Imagine running and hiding. Oh, it's Christmas. Don't hit.
forgot,
It's
it's
Christmas time.
I'm
It's Christmas. It's Christmas time.
Jingle
right now.
bell, jingle bell.
Yo, dude,
before
die. I
we-
wanna see
dude,
you
before we
suffer.
fight,
I wanna see you
target
die.
blueberry hair, bro. Target blueberry John Wick.
I am Rose.
I'm not blueberry John Wick. I'm
You want to
Christmas.
raise you? Get your blade. Move.
I'm getting there. Huh?
I hate this game. Please. I want
I take a plate. Yeah. Did I do that?
I don't want the roses. Oh,
Wait, you can hit him.
hey, no.
You called me a border hopper, bro. You called me a border hopper.
Yeah.
Give it to me now.
Time, little bro. You called me a border hopper. Yeah.
I wasn't calling you. I was calling that guy.
Doesn't matter. Cool boy 1717. Five. Still gonna win.
Bye, phone.
I hope so.
No.
I know who you are still, bro.
You monkeys.
I still know who you are, bro.
Oh, it's two.
It's the same dude.
Yeah.
This pirate has
I'm
a
gonna
problem.
leave because you're
This
gonna
pirate's
let
racist.
it leave.
Leave, leave.
Yeah,
Finally.
yeah, that's what I mean. Yes, yes.
Bro, the pirate is racist.
He leaves, guys. He
You
leaves.
racist pirate.
He leaves.
Get over it. Oh, wait, hold on. Where'd the Halloween guy go? Holy cow. Are you in? Oh, never mind.
What a fool.
Guys, I would
Behind
not
you.
die card you. There's a dead body.
Bro, behind you.
Oh, I killed him.
Behind you.
That's supposed to be the same. That's John Wick right there, bro.
5,000.
Not me.
Bro, I need to find the, I need to find Halloween.
But I have full cotton.
You don't know where I am? I literally.
Guys! Rotate a fade.
Back already?
Oh, okay.
Oh, wait.
Oh, yo, bro. Oh my god. Big brain.
Back to
I'm there. Okay.
back to big brain.
Yo, who's wasting the code and throwing something,
3,
bro?
2, 1.
Why do you have so much buttons, bro? But how do you have that much button, bro? How much did he give you?
Only cost 100.
Shouldn't be.
They only cost
Five.
100, so I'm just...
No!
You're gonna be here for. You're gonna be here for.
exact same. I can have the exact same.
You're gonna.
Except code.
Wait, no, you're not gonna first 10,000.
Ah.
Actually, no.
10,000 is crazy.